So now, I know this is a nightclub and I know there's been an open bar, but if we could have 30 seconds of a moment of silence to honor the memory of the people who lost their lives in Katrina. Thank you very much.
Trouble so fried, ooh, Lord, am I trouble so fried. Don't nobody know my troubles but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Ooh, Lord, am I trouble survive. Ooh, Lord, and my trouble survive. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Went down the hill the other day. Looked on the bed, my brother was dead. Went down the hill the other day. My soul got happy in this state all day. Ooh, thy soul survived. Ooh, Lord, in my soul survive. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. Don't nobody know my trouble but God. I went in the room, I didn't stay long. I looked on the bed, my brother was dead. I went in the room, I didn't stay long. I looked on the bed and my brother was dead. Ooh, Lord, and my trouble survived. Ooh, Lord, and my trouble survived. Nobody knows the troubles but God. Nobody knows my trouble but God. Nobody
Tamira Sanders, ladies and gentlemen.